খচি গলি নহয় তাত এনেকৈ ভিতৰলৈকে যোৱা টান এতিয়া হৈ পৰিল নহয় ইজি
ইজি লিকটা দাগ
এই দাগ গুচোৱা ইজি সাৰ্ফ এক্সেল ইজি ৱাছ ইয়াৰ 10খন হাতৰ শক্তি ইমান বেছি লিকটা দাগ গুচোৱা হৈ পৰে ইজি সাৰ্ফ এক্সেল ইজি ৱাছ
I, Dr. Vicky Andrew Syngkon, having been nominated as a candidate to fill a seat in the House of the People, do swear in the name of God that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India as by law established, and that I will of India lies in that unity in spite of its diversity. And in our state, we acknowledge the contribution made by the non-Khasi people who contributed tremendously to the state, and they also need to be protected. And the party will also ensure that their interest is well protected. But at the same time, we have to also protect the state from those who are illegal people who come here illegally. That is what I think, together with those people in the state, other than the local, I think we can, as a party, we are concerned about and we are protect the constitutional right even of other people from non.
What are your major planks, VPP, your major planks for the election?
Is in a few days from now, we will bring out our manifesto. So until then, I request please bear with us until then, and we will bring out the manifesto in the course of time.
And whom do you consider as your main political rival?
Yeah, see, everyone who enters the fair, I believe they have a reason why. So we respect every opponent of us.
So when you tell us, your opponent says that, Allah says that you are following BJP ideology, VPP. Your comments on this?
I don't know, no comments. No comments on that.
But if you don't comment, then it will spread, no?
Now, that, we are not saying, they are saying.
But that's the way that